Okay, today we're doing this ds650. It was one I wanted forever, since high school. And the only thing that we're aware of that's different on this one is it has an HMF pipe. But it's everything I ever wanted it to be. It is fast as hell, and figured we would show today how fast it can actually go. I got this nice little GPS thing that I wired into it here so that it has power. It's some cheap GPS thing that I got on one of those online cheap marketplaces things. But this machine is beautiful in my opinion. It is the best machine I've ever sat on. Most four-wheelers you squat when you sit on them. This one you don't squat, you actually sit very comfortably on it. I wish they still made this, but they don't. But this thing is ridiculously fast, and it accelerates quite well. So yesterday when I had that GPS thing on here, I had to make some adjustments to it. It was shaking all over the place, but I did finally get a top speed. What I saw was 80 miles an hour, and it was wound out. The tach showed 7,300 RPM. It was screaming. So we're gonna find out today what the GoPro's GPS and that GPS, see how close they are to each other. So I figured I'd do it on a dirt road, and then I'm gonna do it on a paved road. Okay, so after that, I saw 77 on that HUD. I guess we'll find out what the camera's got to say. But 77 on the pavement, and I think it was 76 on that really loose dirt road, which is pretty good. It's a handful to keep it going straight. So, after all, like I said, I'm very impressed with this machine. It's very fast. I would like to put this up against a Raptor. Hopefully one of these days something like that will actually happen, because I do believe I can outrun one on this.